snaps and stabs a Toronto police car. Police panic, run away, and leave civilians exposed before eventually tasing her. During the takedown, a police officer forgets to put his vehicle in park, and he jumps out with it still rolling directly into the suspect and responding officers. One officer was seen limping after the impact. If this is who is protecting us, we are doomed.
Michael Myers? What the Yes.
He has his two weapons, that is.